All right, good evening, everyone. Actually, good morning. Just past 12 o'clock a.m. here. Day Trader Radio, Day Trader Rockstar with you. Pretty excited tonight as tomorrow looks like it could be an exciting day. We're pushing right up against a major line of resistance here at 1490 on the S&P. If we break through this, all signs, all signals are showing us we could be setting up for a nice rally in the market. So I think this is the first chart I want to go over right now is the S&P. You can see this inverted head and shoulders. Everything's setting itself up. All technical levels. We're above the moving averages now. We're heading back up. What the hell just happened there? And we have a nice neckline, and that neckline is at 1490. So look for a break of 1490 tomorrow. We have futures up already tonight. So it's going to be an interesting play tomorrow. I think, like I'm saying here, 1490 is going to be the key for big moves in Google, ISRG, MasterCard, Garmin, all the big ones. Apple, 1490 is the key tomorrow for the S&P. We rally above it, we probably sell off below it. So that's one to keep on your watch. That's number one, numero uno on your watch list for tomorrow. All right, just definitely keep that in mind. Just going over some fast ones tonight because that's going to be the main thing. Google, take a look at Google. Has a lot of momentum. Actually, this is the 60-minute chart. We see that we kept on bouncing right off the 50-period moving average here on a 60-minute chart, and it's showing some good strength here. Starting to head up. On a daily chart, things are looking good. We're starting to break out of a downward pullback here. 1, 2, 3 pullback statistics. Very bullish right here. And what I'm liking is the 5-minute chart. Very bullish going into the close. A lot of momentum. So with the futures gapping up tomorrow, I'm looking for this one to get a nice gap up. If we get past that $700, my first target's 720. Like I said, if we get a nice rally tomorrow, this one can easily hit 720 tomorrow. It's a big one. That's a big number right there, but we need to get that rally. Watching RIM here at the $100 level. We bounced off it 3 times in the last 2 days. And we could be starting to get some support here. So I want to watch RIM here. I do think RIM, with the news going into China, is it's pretty important. So just keep it on your watch list. Who knows if they're going to come out with some more news tomorrow. But next time we get above 103, 104 area, we should stay above that. Just a good trading vehicle to keep an eye on. ISRG coming up to major let's see if we have that chart set up here for you. Yeah, breakout target is 335 on ISRG. As you can see here, we have a rising triangle rising right up against the support here, getting squeezed right up. That target is 335. That's going to be a nice breakout right there. It's going to be the 52-week high, and it should explode. It should be a nice move. Usually these high octane stocks, the ones that are big price targets here, $330, $600 stocks, usually get nice moves, 10 to 20 point moves. So looking for ISRG also to get a nice rally tomorrow. Had a nice reversal in Dell today. I'm going to keep that on my watch for a continuation move tomorrow. That one's really been sold off back down to $23. So I do like Dell here in this area. A lot of stocks are coming into play here, and I'm really starting to enjoy finding the charts on them here. Motorola, still holding Motorola. Nice inverted head and shoulders pattern still forming out. If we could hold above this neckline, which we're right about there, it's about 1550. Let me zoom in here a little so you get a better idea what we're talking about here. Actually, that it's about 1570 is that neckline, and where those moving averages are coming up to support that one. So I'm looking for a move up in Motorola tomorrow. If we have any type of strength in that, we'll be adding to it. Looks like this one's trying to put in the bottom here. Motorola, MOT, KEYMOUSE. I don't know what I just spelled, but Baker Hughes, another one. If you go back, you see this $80 and $80, $90, $81 area. There's a lot of things happening in this area. So we're above it today. If we stay above it, I'm looking for a rally. We need to get above $82. That's my target, 82, for continued nice move. Look for $82 in Baker Hughes. 82. There's a big number right there for you. Are you ready for 82? All right, that's the number. All right. Moving right down the line, I have nothing more to say except Intel rocked today. Rocked and roll. Pushing right up against the 52-week high. Here the guys on fast money all day today screaming about this one. Even that guy Jeff Mackey, even though I think he's a big turd. Sorry, Jeff, but, you know, you get on my nerves sometimes. He's even pumping Intel. Everyone's looking for Intel to hit $30 mark. I have to agree with him. I think Intel has all cylinders kicking in here. Look for Intel to break out the new 52-week high either tomorrow or the next day or any day soon after. We're right up against it and looks excellent. So Intel, a great trade coming up on Intel. Again, FSLR. I'm just holding right here on this moving average on the 60-minute chart again. We have the 50, well actually we have this nice moving average pushing this up here. This is not the chart I'm looking for right here. I'm looking actually for the daily chart and this inside day. And again, solars are in play here. We have a nice trend line on the daily chart. And as long as we could hold on to this trend line here, I do think we're gonna be heading up here. So looking pretty good. Look for weakness to come into this one. If we do get above, get below 213.90, look for some weakness in FSLR. But until then, that could be always a high flyer. And again, my major one, of course, is the S&P. We need to get above that major area. And if we do, here's another one that has a good chance of rocking and rolling tomorrow. It's Caterpillar. I haven't talked about it in a while, but taking a look at the daily chart. Nice pullback off the highs. We got a nice little bounce off of $67. I wish I knew it was down at 67 at the time. And we're bouncing up here. Looking at the 60-minute chart, we're forming a nice downward trend line here from all the way back in October 2nd and October 6th. It hit it again and came right down, hitting it almost again. Let's see, get this all set up for you. Actually, coming right down, hitting again on the 29th and hitting it right now. So looking for a break above that $73 and get a nice move in Caterpillar. $73 in Caterpillar. Target breakout. So that's the watch list for tonight. Check out the new site. I actually got my flash charts up and running, so I'll be scrolling through a live chart feed tomorrow during the market. Get up at 8 o'clock, be there for the pre-market. The futures should be rocking and rolling. We should see. Hopefully no bad news comes out overnight. And check out the new feature I have on the site. It's DayTraderRadio.com. Live market commentary, chart setups. Now I have flash charts on there, marking the setups in the charts. I hope you enjoy everything. Hope you gain benefit from the site. And also look for the video on the watch list and market commentary news and all that good stuff. All right, everyone, have a pleasant evening. I'll see you in the morning. This is DayTraderRockStar signing off for the evening, and looking for a really big day tomorrow. So I'm very excited. 1490, big key number. Everything hinges on this big number, 1490. Look for a pop above that. All right. Good night, everyone.